You know, I gotta tell you, Mother's Day weekend is looking not too bad weather-wise. We'll see a mix of sun and clouds on Saturday, some areas cloudier than others, and temperatures will be fairly warm, near 80 degrees in Lincoln, a couple locations in the upper 70s, maybe 77 for the high on Saturday in York. Now on Sunday, there is a small rain chance. I think we'll feature mostly cloudy skies for the vast majority of us, but even so, it's just a small chance for rain. I wouldn't let that ruin your outdoor plans. Just keep in mind you might come across a shower or two. A little cooler on Sunday with highs in the 70s. But we have a storm chance to get through first, both today and tomorrow. Some chances are better than others, though. Berrylaw Tower Cam right now, you can see a couple of fair weather cumulus clouds drifting into the area. A few peaks of sunshine every now and again. We'll probably see less of those as the afternoon wears on, as we have more clouds building north from the south. So right now it is mostly cloudy in Beatrice, out towards Pawnee City and Fall City, even a couple of showers popping up on radar. And these are moving west. That's not the typical direction that these showers move, but in this case, that's what's happening. And they're just light showers right now, not producing much accumulation, and they are operating on a scattered basis. That's what we're going to see for the remainder of the afternoon in southeast Nebraska. We might hear a couple rumbles of thunder every now and again, but I suspect we won't be dealing with severe weather in Lincoln, out towards Omaha, maybe a few thunderstorms in northeast Nebraska as well. But this is going to be what we're watching later on this evening, this big line of thunderstorms by late afternoon moving into Nebraska. It's developing in Kansas, and it's just going to drift north, and along this we could see some severe weather activity. I think hail and damaging straight line winds is the main threat, but maybe an isolated spin up within this. You see more storms in northern Nebraska. Just a mess all the way around on radar tonight. Even south central Nebraska might get in on this line of thunderstorms, but notice the timestamp, 8 o'clock Thursday. It's starting to get closer to the nighttime hours, and still a couple of storms venturing up upon south central Nebraska, maybe even Hebron and Fairbury by 10 o'clock tonight. But then as we lose the daytime heating effects, a lot of these storms weaken, and we'll just kind of see some sporadic shower and thunderstorm activity into the nighttime hours. Just a few storms in southeast Nebraska, but that's just about it. It'll be another night where most of the remnant showers and storms are in western and northern Nebraska. As we head into Friday, though, storm chances start to increase again. But today, all the severe weather should be confined to southwest Nebraska. An outside chance for maybe a cell capable of producing strong winds and large hail just outside of this yellow shaded region. Again, southwest Nebraska has got the best chance for severe storms today. As far as rainfall goes, those showers that we're expected to see closer to the Lincoln area today probably won't produce a whole heck of a lot. Most of the rain is going to come from thunderstorms in the western parts of the state today. Right now, 76 degrees in Lincoln, 72 in Beatrice, 71 in Hebron, 76 Grand Island, 76 Columbus, and 77 the warm spot in Omaha. It's a little cooler just to the south, and the reason for that is the rain-cooled air is starting to spread north. So I think we'll top out near 78 in Lincoln, but then temperatures slowly decline through the rest of the afternoon as that rain-cooled air continues to arrive. So we'll say 78 degrees in Lincoln, but that occurs in the early afternoon. A little cooler for high temperatures just to our south. For tonight, 63 degrees, a couple of lingering thunderstorms in southeast Nebraska, but then storm chances start to increase again on Friday. A slight level 2 out of 5 risk for severe weather in eastern Nebraska as this storm system just continues churning away. I mean, look at this thing rotating. It's kind of fun to watch. And there'll be a cold front tomorrow afternoon position just about right on top of us. This model develops this line of storms just to our east. So be interesting to see whether or not that line of storms can develop before the cold front passes. It's going to be another one of those days where it's just dependent on the placement of the boundary. So there is a chance Lincoln doesn't see storms tomorrow, but it's going to be awfully close. So I'd be prepared for that scenario just in case. And if you do see those storms, chances are they'll be on the strong to severe side. And after that, we calm down into Mother's Day weekend.